Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates. टेलीविजन की पॉपुलर जोड़ियों में से एक आशा और ऋत्विक की जोड़ी फैंस के लिए किसी सौगात से कम नहीं होती। जब भी दोनों कभी भी एक साथ स्पॉट होते हैं, फैंस का उन्हें देखने के लिए एक्साइटमेंट दुगने तरीके से बढ़ता दिखाई देता है। और इसी बीच कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ है। अपने बर्थडे जैसे खास दिन पर आशा एक्टिव दिखी सोशल मीडिया पर। साथ ही साथ लाइव चैट के दौरान खूब सारी मस्ती भी करती दिखी ऋत्विक के साथ। आप भी देखिए।
Exactly what we need to.
I'm live.
So am I.
Susie.
Okay. Let's walk in. Say hello.
Hi, Harshad. Hi, Stubborn. Whoever is stubborn. Hi, Payal.
Can I just quickly do this so
Do
that
what?
yes. Much better. Okay.
Hi, everybody. Thank you for coming.
Hi guys. Okay, now people are just dropping in. Ayushi, Pooja.
Thank you, Pooja.
Hi guys. Okay, so it's your birthday.
Oh, is it?
Happy birthday. And we're here.
How
We're
are you
here.
guys? Somebody asked.
We're amazing.
We look.
We're doing this after a really long time.
Yeah,
no?
we are.
Like we don't know what to do
I
now.
know.
Like we've kind of lost touch. We don't know what to talk about.
Thank
Happy
you,
birthday,
guys.
love.
Thank
Okay.
you. Lavender.
Mehak Nair, Praveen here. Hi,
Thank
Praveen.
you, Mehak. Praveen, we love you.
Praveen, we're
I'm
not
gonna cheat
eating.
today.
Oh.
I'm gonna cheat today.
Yeah,
Manish,
she's
Pattu Pattu. Namaste,
Hey,
big fan.
namaste, Patta. All right. Sushant says happy
Thank
birthday.
you, bye. Sushant is my brother. Funny. Thank
Arey,
you,
funny.
bye. Thank you. And there is
Okay,
Seema
so
needed.
go for it, baby. Talk to people.
Thank you, guys. What do I say? Everybody sing happy birthday. Thank you, guys.
So if you keep saying thank you to all
yeah,
of them.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell everybody how old are you
Mehak,
today?
Thank you. I'm gonna see you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Mehak.
She's
You
not
and all
coming.
the-
She's not coming. And she hasn't worked out, by the way. She didn't work out today. She didn't work out yesterday.
I didn't work out today.
No? Yes, she did.
I
For a
did,
little-
Mehak. I swear I worked out today. Can you imagine?
For 12 minutes. For 12 minutes.
For 12 minutes. Yeah, for 12 minutes, but I worked out. You know, can you put this down?
Yeah, no.
Just
I was
on-
thinking better light, no?
This
Okay.
is fine. They can see.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi,
Go for it.
Pranjali. Hi, guys. Thank you. Oh, our queen has arrived.
Yeah, the queen's here.
Do you guys want to see our queen?
Hi.
That's our queen, everybody.
We have queen number 2 sitting right here.
Well, Juma, need you to. That's Margaret. Lilibet. I'm Lilibet. And this one is Peter Townsend. He doesn't even know. Hi, Poonam. Hello, Anmol. Hello, Kirti. Hello, Asmita. Thank you. Thank you.
You have to say more than thank you also.
Patel Pooja says, Rutik sir, I'm a big fan of you.
Hi, Patel. Hi, Pooja.
Hi, Patel.
Patel Pooja. Well, okay, here it is. Okay, so let's just today how old are you? Do you want to tell the world? No? Don't. She's only 33 today. And
Not even 33, yeah. Like I'm 29, okay? I don't have any fear of telling people I'm 29 and next year I'm gonna be 30. And I'm really scared.
yeah, you're
For
really
next
scared.
year.
So am I. I have 3 more years to go for 30, but I'm still scared.
Thank you, Shivangi. Tu pagal.
Okay, here you go. Everybody should talk to Asha.
Oh,
Please go ahead.
Vijay Chauhan says 18. Thank you, Vijay. Actually, it's sweet 16. Thank you. I like you, Ande Degi. Oh, you like me, Sargun Mehta? Thanks, Sargun. See, Sargun, today I'm not looking calm wali bai. Sargun is saying, I like you, Ande Degi. Hello. Hello. Guys, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Hi, Shreya Cutie. Margaret, you want to say something? Hi, Bibs. Minna. Thank you, Minna. Minna, I hope you slept well today. It was National Sleeping Day since it's my birthday. Thank you, Bhagyashri. Thank you, Datta Rai. Thank you, Akriti. Oh, Prashant Kumar says hi, Negi and Dhanjani. For a change, somebody says hi to you. You wanna reply? Hi, Dolly. Thank you. Thank you, Bunty. Thank you, Karishma Naidu. You can also
Let's
reply
go ahead.
people on my behalf.
Yes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. And anything that you guys want to ask for in the next 1 minute, Asha's going to answer.
Yeah.
Any
whatever.
question.
Like
Anything
how come Hrithik manages to be so dumb? I can tell you everything. How is he so messy? Yeah. Any questions, whatever you guys ask, I'm ready.
It's your
I'm up for
birthday.
it.
It's not mine. Yeah, it's your birthday. So anything related to Asha. ऋत्विक कहाँ
Hrithik
चला गया?
kahan
ऋत्विक
chala
ये
gaya?
रहा.
Right,
ऋत्विक कहीं नहीं है.
Nisha
ऋत्विक यहीं है.
Thakur.
And अमृतसर आकर कैसा लगा? अमृतसर was कैसा था बेटे? तुम्हारा बर्थडे तुम्हें बोलना पड़ेगा ना, मैं क्यों बोलूँ अमृतसर?
आज अमृतसर आके कैसा लगा? मतलब ब्यूटीफुल यार, गोल्डन टेम्पल और ढाबे का खाना और क्या चाहिए? वैसे प्रवीण और महक भी ये देख रहे हैं, so I won't be able to say much, but yeah, it was nice. Oh, somebody says I love Hrithik. Oh, what
love
a
you too.
coincidence! Even I love Hrithik. Oh, Chetari says, hey, at least reply na. Hey, I'm replying na. What does Hrithik give you as a birthday gift? Hrithik, what did you give me as a birthday gift?
Nothing.
It's Sindhi na, don't you guys know?
No. We no pay money for a gift to my daughter.
Hrithik, मैं क्या बोलूं, you know, कि क्या दिया है? I have everything from Hrithik. Yeah, I do.
Okay.
What he does
So
for
go
me
ahead.
is more than enough. You are the best couple. Thank you. What about marriage? What about marriage? Hrithik's telling me to say bye. Why should I be the villain?
Hey guys. Hrithik sounds like a Latin singer.
Latin.
Whoa. Thank you. Thank you.
And what do I sound like?
Banjaran.
Whatever, Desi girl.
Urvashi Rautela is saying hi with a slap. Hi Urvashi Rautela.
No, that's...
Okay.
Okay guys, gotta go. Time for food. Time to eat. Time to do what I'm best at. Okay guys, bye. See you and thank you for coming and thank you for wishing. I love you guys. What am I looking like? Yeah. Okay. So bye guys. I'm Egyptian and love you very much. Thank you so far. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for coming. I love you guys. Happy birthday to me.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Bye. I don't feel like going though, but yeah. Bye.
चल झूठी भूख लगी है भूख इतनी देर से बैठी हुई कि कभी खत्म करेगी तो खाना खाएगी that's exactly what the truth is tell everybody
I
what the
do
truth
want to eat food. Everybody
Exactly.
knows how much I love food, but
Yeah.
I don't feel like leaving.
oh
But yeah,
but thank you so much everybody for
आने वाले
joining
को
in
जाना तो पड़ता ही है. Hrithik doesn't want to be a part of this.
thank you guys
Okay. Oh, Choco Lovers. What is your name, bud? Somebody saying ये बहुत गंदी बात है, आपने मेरा नाम तो लिया ही नहीं. और आपका आईडी का नाम क्या है? Choco Lovers. मैं ये बोलूँ, Hi Choco Lover. Okay, bye bye guy.
bye bye
What do I say?
bye bye take a bye
Okay guys, bye.